So today, you'll be learning how to install the RedNote social media app on your iPhone. So RedNote is now being considered the new TikTok. It's a new social media platform that allows you to post videos and just do all sorts of things that you would have been able to do on TikTok. So because of this, learning how to install it is very important. So all you need to do is to simply launch the App Store on your iPhone. And then once you've launched the App Store, you want to use the search function and you want to type in RedNote, like that, and then search. You should see it listed here in the search results. And because it's still a Chinese app, then it should be listed in Chinese. But as long as you see this app icon, then you'll know that is the RedNote app. So you can just tap on it to continue viewing the app details. And then all you need to do is simply tap on Get and to start the installation process. You might need to confirm using Face ID or your Apple account password. So just confirm that and then wait for the app to be downloaded onto your iPhone. And then once the app has finished installing, you want to tap on Open to launch it. So from here, you can now start using the RedNote app on your iPhone once you agree to the important notice. And then you can choose to allow notifications. It's completely up to you. And then you can start using RedNote as long as you use your account, whether you've created one or not. You can just go through that process all from right here. Thank you for watching. For any more RedNote videos, please subscribe to get notified.